Today we are gonna edit this video. We're gonna add backgrounds, we're gonna add text, and we're gonna time the effects. So let's get started. Hi, I am PixelPia. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I filmed the short little TikTok I just showed you. So let's move over to my phone screen. As you can see, I'm using another of my accounts today, and we start by just clicking on the little plus sign. The first thing I'm going to do is set a timer for the first segment, and I'm dragging this down to 5 seconds. My mistake was that I kept the countdown on 10 seconds, but here you see the countdown has started. This is the segment I want to use before I add the background. So I want to add text above my finger. I point. Next, I want to add the background. So I use the green screen for video. You see the red mark around that screen. And up top, I can see my videos. And in this case, I am choosing one that is a soundbite from my podcast, the Swedish Fika. I can adjust the time, as you see here, by dragging the end and the beginning of the segment that I want. And when I'm happy with that, I just click Next up in the right corner. And here I can see how it looks. And if I'm pleased with this, I just hit the little check mark at the bottom. Next, I want to add a split screen effect. So I go to effects again and just write split in the search bar. And I pick this one that splits the screen into 4 equal areas. For this, I just film myself, and to get some movement into it, I'm just sitting on my swivel chair and slowly turn around in the room. When that is done, I hit the record button again, and now it's time to add some text. I know that I want the text to say adding a background, and even though my video is playing in the background here, I know what I want, so I write that. I find the style I want and the colors I want, and when that is done, I just hit the done button, and by clicking on the text again, I can move it by holding it down, or by clicking on it I can choose set duration. And once again at the bottom you can see I just drag the end and the beginning and place it right above my finger that's pointing to the text. And here I have a last check that everything looks like I want it to. Segment 1, segment 2 with the background, and segment 3 with the split screen. Now I want to add an emoji to the last screen. So I pick a smiley. I can drag that around just as I did with the text, and I can set the duration just the same way. A last look at all the 3 segments, and when I am happy with what I see, I just click Next down in the bottom right corner. And here I fill in all the information about my video. I hope this will help you in creating your TikTok videos. In my next video, I will talk about stitching and doing duets. Until then, hej då!